How to fix Clorox Pool app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Clorox Pool application is not working, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. To solve it, tap open your phone settings. From the list of options, scroll down until you see the option of apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Clorox Pool. Firstly, force stop the application. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will clear up any of the technical bug or the glitch issue. If the problem still persists, drop down your notification center and check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, your application must be up and running. However, Clorox Pool is not available for every country or region. So if you are trying to use it via a VPN connection, make sure to disable your VPN connection ASAP. So those are some of the methods to use to fix your issue of your Clorox Pool app not working. You have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.